Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to enable or disable easy mode on your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to display. Go to display and here select easy mode. Easy mode and just turn on this button easy mode to enable easy mode. So easy mode will be what is actually read here. Use a simple home screen layout with bigger on-screen items, a longer touch and hold delay to prevent accidental actions, and a high contrast keyboard for better readability. Any customization you have made to the home screen will be discarded. Okay, this is called easy mode. Okay, see here. So if you like to turn off or disable easy mode at later time, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is again you have to go to the same settings here and then go to display, then go to easy mode. Go to easy mode and just turn off this button easy mode so that it will come to the normal mode. In this way you can easily enable easy mode or disable easy mode in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.